How to get into Forex trading Reddit. The foreign currency Forex secret is not just realizing of particular implements tools indicators online Forex commercial platforms. This key is not in your willingness to purchase after the straight breakthrough. Unequaled set of norms exists for these persons who do online foreign currency commerce. It is really appreciable when various persons get different approaches to the same problem. There's no one single greatest foreign exchange Forex decision. Prospective experts are those who realize the meaning of short-term and long-term Forex currency exchange courses. Many persons suggest the notions of Forex rates tonight and Forex rates tomorrow as two different things, and they are completely correct. Tonight your Forex rates today may be incorrect, but it may happen that tomorrow this case will bring you fortune and great gain. Genuine professionals find their balance of trust-free Forex indicator in their personal experience. The intuition also assists many professionals because they have great experience in many situations. There is no the best Forex indicator. Forex market analysts claim that about 90% all money traders utilize technical analysis particular tools and almost free Forex indicators. The understanding of the time that is worth entering the trades and when it's essential to leave will perform that an individual is a genuine expert. A unique balance of risks and safety is made by each expert singly, and it is right in many cases. They realize that risk is a normal point for Forex. They're great in surmounting lots of losses to keep going on. When you do right decision and lose, it's a good loss, they say. The wrong one is when you do a wrong decision and have bad results. Otherwise there are correct decisions, but they are spoiled by misuse of the risk management norms. Any expert will tell you that there is always something that you can sell or purchase. But there are also lots of amateurs that claim that market is unstable and it stopped moving in the expected direction. At the meanwhile the professionals make benefit of any occasion. Amateurs prefer being accurate while the professionals would accept their blunders but would be at the same moment making money. You must work rather hard to be an expert trader. It's reasonable to be ruthless and say no to biases relying on your previous experience. You should work out your own manner of work. The major thing for you is that there are no any rules or theory for your question. You must double-check every piece of advice you were presented, every theory you have learned about, and each and every new thought of your own. Try to find your personal balance of risks and investments with the help of different tools, being calm and patient. Certainly we understand it's easy said and not so easy to do, but you have to try to be indifferent to your profits and losses. You will surely understand then that the market will give you more success than losses anyway.